You'd like to see the sun, so would everybody else.
I forgot what it looks like.
Well, you know, it's just look up. But not in the next few days, Jacob.
Yeah, I would not recommend looking up without any sunglasses, Katie. I just have to point that out. As we go into Monday, we will actually see some sunshine. Highs today did get into the middle 50s and a little bit warmer the further to the west you went. So Central Mass, you saw upper 50s to near 60 and then mid 60s as you went into Western Mass. We will see temperatures a little bit cooler for tomorrow, and we will see quite a bit more rain. We do have some dry conditions right now, just some clouds that have built on in and really have stayed in place really all day. The next batch of rain moving through the mid-Atlantic on its way towards us, and as you wake up and head out the door for tomorrow, we will see that rain falling. In fact, our hour-by-hour forecast shows the progression of some of the showers. I think the Mass Pike and south into the east, along the Cape, and into the islands. Best chance of seeing showers early, and even into the afternoon. Futurecast not doing a great job of maybe throwing this northern shield towards us. I still think that Boston, you're going to get in on some of the showers into the afternoon and the evening, and by the time we get into Monday, there you have it, starting to see a little bit of clearing. This will move on through, but not before we get one last sort of downpour into very early Monday. But Monday overall is actually looking quite sunny. That's the day that you're going to need those sunglasses. Our rainfall forecast shows that the bullseye will be the Cape and the islands. So generally, the Mass Pike south. Look at the rainfall difference between Boston and Plymouth and into the Cape. That's where you see that wide rainfall discrepancy. So if you live south of Boston, just expect quite a bit of rain over the next 24 hours or so. And we're still stuck in this pattern, really not allowing that warm air to migrate further to the north. We do get a brief period of warm weather to start the week, but we're sort of back to old ways the middle and end of the upcoming week. And that means some cooler temperatures, back to almost daily rain chances. Certainly not the pattern that we want to be in. Sunday, we're all likely to see some rain. We're going to take a step forward and see some sunshine for Monday and half of Tuesday. But then the rest of the week, we stay a bit unsettled. Lows tonight, upper 40s to near 50 degrees. And tomorrow, we are back into the mid to low 50s. I think a little bit warmer the further west you go, but showers and downpours likely for many of us, especially the later in the day we go. And it's been very, very wet. One area that's been very wet is Worcester, where they've picked up, as far as our water year goes, almost 40 inches. That's as of October 1st. And you can see we're in second place. We're going to add to that total as we go into tomorrow. Here's your 7-day forecast. Not just tomorrow, but into the rest of the week. We have almost daily rain chances. The best chance for some dry weather Monday, half of Tuesday, and then half of Wednesday. Other than that, we have almost, like I said, those daily rain chances.
So tomorrow we could conceivably be in first place for the amount of rain.
Conceivably, yes. I think it was maybe an inch short of that, so they could catapult up. Maybe not the position they want to be in, though.